Do you ever feel like your mind is running a million miles an hour? Constant chatter, negative thoughts, distractions? It can be exhausting. But what if you could actually control your thoughts? In this video, I'll show you how to master your mind using powerful, science-backed techniques without needing to become a monk or meditate for hours. Let's dive in. Become the observer. The first step is to become the observer of your thoughts. Instead of reacting instantly to what pops into your mind, just notice it. You are not your thoughts, you are the one watching them. Imagine a cloud drifting by. That's your thought. You don't chase it. You don't fear it. You just watch. This skill, called mindfulness, creates space between you and your mental noise. Set an anchor thought. When your mind starts spiraling, anchor it. Pick a simple, positive phrase to return to whenever negativity hits. Examples: I am calm and in control. This moment is enough. This anchor grounds you. It reminds your brain where to return, just like a lighthouse in a storm. Practice meditation. Meditation isn't about having no thoughts. It's about seeing your thoughts and choosing whether to follow them. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can build your mental strength and awareness. Think of it as going to the gym, but for your mind. Declutter. Mental noise. Too many thoughts? Maybe your brain is just overwhelmed. Turn off unnecessary input. Reduce screen time. Say no to information overload. Embrace silence. The less noise you feed your mind, the easier it becomes to focus. Challenge the thought. Not every thought is true. Many are just habits. When a negative thought shows up, ask, is this 100% true? Is this helpful? What would I tell a friend who thought this? Turn, I'll never succeed, into, I haven't yet, but I'm growing. Replace, don't suppress. Trying to suppress thoughts doesn't work. They come back stronger. Instead, replace them. If you think, I'm failing, don't force it away. Say, I'm learning. Guide your mind gently, like steering a boat, not smashing waves. Your mind is powerful, but you're in control. The more you practice, the more peaceful and focused you'll become. Remember, observe, anchor, meditate, declutter, write, challenge, replace. You got this.
If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.